as we listen to Dr. Piero and your lecture now, it feels like we're walking through the night, and as the sun starts to rise, you start to see the beauty of the fields. So we're looking forward to the next lectures to see the full view. I was wondering if there's a possibility that we can perhaps hear from Dr. Koda a few words.
Yes.
In reflection to what was said.
We have 10 minutes.
And we have a few more minutes exactly for questions and answers.
Thank you. Only 2 minutes. Thank you very much. The first,
He can translate.
we cannot accomplish this plan without you. We are together in realization of this plan of God, that in who the instrument is, who are the different religions, and in this moment a particular instrument is this spirituality, this charisma. The second, the Pope Francis here in Piano in May say, here is the school of people of God.
Oh, beautiful.
Your word. We are, is for us, your conversation, your topic, a great, important, very important contribution in our process of unity between you and us, and in service of all humanity. Very, very, very thank you. Very, very, thank you very much.
Okay.
The floor is open for any questions, comments, or clarifications from any brothers or sisters in the crowd. So perhaps maybe if there are any good questions that come to your mind during prayers and meditation and mass, please write them down, and then we'll be calling